Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo. Hustle every day, me no waste time.
Natural beauties, what's up? It's hella hot, hella windy. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm in my backyard. Today is wash day, and I thought I would do it outside just because I can. I always wanted to film something outside. My locks are super dirty and they need to be washed, so I figured why not just wash them outside so you guys can just vibe with me. My backyard does not have like hella trees or anything like that, but lately I've been feeling the need to kind of be more in tune with nature and just connect a little bit more. I've been feeling very disconnected. I don't ever come outside for real. I just don't do outside. I don't do outside like that. The sun is out. I haven't been getting much vitamin D, so I just figured why the hell not, you know, listen to the wind and chill while my hair dries. It's been very cloudy for the past couple of days, to be honest. It hasn't really been sunny and the sun is out today, and I just thought, why the hell not? Okay, before we get started, I want you guys to go ahead and just thumbs up this video, just because I'm doing something weird and you know, you guys mess with it, you can just hit the thumbs up button. If you're here to my channel for the first time, hey, what's up? I'm Toya. I do pretty much every type of video on this channel. No structure for real, with a flow, okay? If you like the vibe, you could go ahead and just hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and I hope to see you here again. I do. All right, so y'all know I have a dandruff/eczema problem, so I'm gonna be using my Sulfur 8 deep cleaning shampoo, this one right here. So I'm just, oh, so you guys can't see, but let me show you something right quick. My backyard doesn't have like a pipe around here, it's just bush. You guys can't barely see that, but here's my trusty old bat with some water, you don't know. Yeah, my little jug. Yeah, yard style. All right, so I'm about to, actually should have wet my scalp first, but you know, doing something I don't normally do, guys. Bear with me. And I'm sitting on my yoga mat. I'm in a whole swimsuit, so I can get wet, guys. Somebody's calling my business phone. Perfect timing, people. Y'all gonna have to wait. But in all honesty, guys, I just wanted to do a video where I could just kind of chill a little bit, talk to you guys, check in, you know. You guys can update me in the comments. How has everyone been? Kind of been MIA. I know this. We're all just working through some stuff. I haven't been in the best headspace, to be honest. But you know, life. It's life and we're all just working through it. We're all just doing our best. That's really all anybody can do. But all my day ones who've been watching me and following me, I would appreciate knowing how everybody's doing, you know. Today is May 16th. I'm filming this video on May 16th. Don't know when you guys are about to see it, but you know, y'all know. I promise I'm gonna be doing better. It's just when I'm not in the best headspace, I can't work. I can't film, I can't. Because I feel like you guys know. You guys look at me and you know, should just do our best right now. I'm gonna go over one more time with this shampoo, and this shit is the best. Can't I don't ever stay consistent with it. That's the problem. I just spent the morning talking to one of my really good friends, just about life and, you know, problems and situations that we all have that come up and shit. It was a very insightful conversation, you know. Oh, this is nice. I can't even lie. The right amount of sun and the right amount of wind. Yes ma'am. I might do videos around here more often, to be honest. I'm really liking the vibe. Really liking the vibe. I can't lie. Getting somebody else's perspective on stuff. It's I encourage us to talk to our friends. Talk to your friends. I never really talk about my problems, to be honest. I'll talk, but I'm a suppressor. I don't really talk about my issues. I just keep them to myself and explode when it's exploding time. And it's not healthy. It's not healthy at all. I think we all have different ways that we cope. I think we all just have to find what works for us and what doesn't, and just, you know, give ourselves time and, you know, space to get better and feel better about things. Guys, literally, I actually just sent Marla off to school and just decided to do this. Alright, so after I use my medicated shampoo, I'm gonna go in with my regular shampoo. And this is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. My favorite, guys. Don't sleep on this shit. And I'm in Jamaica, so this is how much I paid for it. I never understand for the life of me why them write the price them on the thing. So come on, shiny people. Don't need a lot of this because by now my hair is already clean. I just use it for the smell because it smells amazing. Just for one more lather up, you know. Oh, and alright, so after I wash this out, I'm going to go get my fruits. I'm gonna come and sit out here and eat my fruits. I was gonna meditate out here, but you know, I'll probably do that for you guys another time. And I would encourage you, if you don't meditate, I think it's important and it's very helpful. I remember the first time I did it, I had the best day ever. And I was like, oh, what? It was very relaxing. Like my day was just, nothing could just mess up my day. That whole day, you know? I cannot describe how refreshing all this shit is. I can't. But I basically wanted to say, guys, we need to understand that not everything in life is going to go the way you want it. Sometimes things are going to go left, you know what I mean? But once you're alive, you're able to kind of pick it up. Ooh, a butterfly. Pick it up and just, you know, and you kind of have a chance to set things how you want. Literally, once there's life, there's hope. Never ever forget that. You might need to take a step back sometimes and regroup. Hey birdie. You might need to take a step back sometimes and regroup and kind of find, you know, you know, it happens to the best of us. Some of us, it happens to us more often than not. But you know, like, it's important sometimes. I feel like staying grounded is super important. I feel like having failures is important. It teaches you, and there's always something to learn from this thing called life. It's a season of loss for a lot of people. You know, a lot of us don't really be gaining that much. You go through a season of L's and you just take your L's and you learn from them, and you kind of repair yourself and you move on, you know. So really, I'm just making this video for somebody who might be on a down right now. You're on a down, you know, you take a little L and you try cope with the L that you're taking. Sometimes just take your L. Take your L and just move through. Understand that you're a G. Understand that life isn't the best thing all the time. Sometimes life can be a real downer, you know. And we all don't have the same story. I think that's also the lesson here. And let me tell you guys something about my faux locks, bro. Yes, it is. This name, your life easy. This name, you do what you want, bro. You know what I mean? 2 2s, this will be dry and my life will be back to normal like nothing ever happened. I think I might keep these in for my birthday. I don't know. Knowing me, I change my mind every 2 seconds because I had my eyes on a set that I did for Lyric. And I'm like, I feel like I want to rock this for my birthday. My birthday is less than a month away, just a couple weeks away from now. And I am looking forward to 29. But I just wanted to come and say, hey, I have some papaya, some banana, and some mango in the fridge. Okay. Alright guys, so I got my stuff. I got my fruits. I don't know who I cut, somebody I cut yard. So I have some bananas, some papaya and a mango. I went and got the business phone so I can see who was calling me and see if I can do some work at the same time.
I was just calling to find out if you'll be available for in terms of the week of the 29th to the 3rd about. I finally won. We'll be in Jamaica and I was planning on getting my hair done, but both precious in the hair and get it done. So if there's any space, you can let me know. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Guys, comment below what your favorite fruit is. Banana is mine. Love banana. So basically, I'm just responding to WhatsApp messages on the business phone. Persons wanting to do their hair, of course. Because with how things have been, I haven't been doing makeup as much. Oh, hey. Hey, you. I've had this papaya in the refrigerator for like a week. So it's really ripe. Guys, I might have to go inside. The sun is kicking up and I can't manage. I'm gonna cover my legs. And those will be my little neighbors. Enough mongoose living at the back of my yard. They fight all the time. So weird. Me alone don't like eat mango because it always just itch up in your teeth. We beg nugget, but you know the drill. All done. I am so full. Anyways, guys, I'm about to head inside. I've responded to some messages. So until next time, guys, take care of yourself, take care of each other. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Drop me a comment below just to show some love and check in, you know, let me know what's up with you. Below, I want you guys to tell me what your favorite fruit is. If you had to describe your mental health in one word right now, what would it be? So give me the one word and give me your favorite fruit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.